Hey everyone, this is the first devlog for my new farming game, and I think in this one I will just walk you through what I have until now, and will explain where I want to take this game. So just for context, this is a mobile game. I'm thinking to publish it on Google Play and Apple Store. UI isn't final, it's just boilerplate for testing purposes, so I probably will change it someday later. If you have any opinion or maybe even suggestion about the UI, I will glad to hear it. You're welcome to leave your comment and I will check it later. As for now, as you can see, you start with a 6x8 grid. The idea that you will be able to place different structures on this grid. They can be different sizes. Think about placing different buildings, maybe field, compost bin or bakery or something like this. And then those structures will produce you some crop or product, and you will be able to expand your land and place more structures. So the idea that at some point those small figures, those will be your customers, and they will request some orders, some specific crops or produce or something like this, and you will grow it and produce it and will fulfill their orders. You will earn the coins and basically the cycle go on. So as for graphics for this game, I'm doing some experiments and I'm generating all the graphics by using AI. So everything that you see basically generated by AI. It has some limitations like consistency and to make sure that everything is facing the same direction and it actually looks nice together. So this is a very hard part that hard to achieve with generated images from AI. Until now, I'm pretty much glad with what I get. So we will see if I will change this approach or will just continue to do this. Later in this video, I will show more graphics that I already have in the game, but still haven't actually added them. During this video you already noticed a bunch of features that I already built. So obvious one is the grid where you can place new buildings of different sizes, then you can just move them to the place where you want them to be. Then if you press long on the building, it enters to the move mode, and then you can change their placement on the grid, and then it can detect if you really can move the building to the new place or not. So then we have inventory system in place as well. So here where you will see everything that you collected from the buildings, fields or different other items, so you can filter them by type. It can be crop, fertilizer, seeds or other items, and later you will be able to interact with some of the items from here as well. The other part which is done but it's not really connected yet is harvesting tool. So basically you can drag this bucket over the tiles and it will automatically collect produce that was produced there. So then I also have order system. It's right now just generating 3 random orders and requesting random items from the game, and you actually can submit them if you have those items. But right now, since I did some refactoring of how fields work, this ordering system need to be hooked up to actual visuals, so I can't actually show it right now, maybe in future videos. Additionally to that, we also have coins system as well. So basically it doesn't hooked up to game right now. It's everything can be done in code, but I do have a whole cycle of growing crop and selling it, and then using the coins to buy new land. So let me show you another graphics that I generated for this game, and basically, as you see, it has different land types and different buildings. Here is for different buildings, like for Ambar and Market. Those are characters that I generated. I really like how they very similar to each other. So this style stays the same. So here is some trees and different UI elements that I will use later. So I will continue to generate other assets for the game, but as I mentioned before, it's very challenging to actually generate them consistent. So here you can see a couple more buildings like bakery, well. I also generated a bunch of crops that you can grow, so I will need also to generate actual plants assets to actually show the growing process. So as for future developing, so I will continue working on UI elements. So I want to finish the full cycle of growing, selling, fulfilling orders, and expanding your lands. Then I would like actually to add more game elements like placing different buildings, well, compost bin, and add watering system to the game as well. The compost bin will also have some bonuses to the game, like I still thinking about it, but it will be something like speed bonus or quantity bonus or something like this. And for far future, I would like to add to this game some complex production lines. So for example, you start with simple wheat and water, and then you can bake stuff, and then you can grow some berries or fruits or something like this, and then combine them together and have some pies or something similar. Again, it's still far away, but this is where I want to take the game. Not just regular growth sell cycle, but to give players an option actually to plan their lands and utilize tiles as strategically as possible. So this is something that I want to make this game different from other farming simulation games where you basically just doing exactly the same but with different crops. But here I really want to make sure that there is a difference and there is really purpose to grow more expensive crops and to plan ahead basically your farm. So that was a first look on my new game. So I will continue working on it, and I will try to update here on this channel how it goes and what challenges I have and what progress I make. So if you like it, you can subscribe to the channel and check for new videos. Also, feel free to leave any feedback about the game and any ideas that you think will be nice to have in this type of game. I will really appreciate it.